Hey you guys, so I actually got to restock my firewood bundles, so I figured I'd make a quick video on just showing you how I do it. What I've done is I've actually just welded up this, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's going to be a bundle holder, contraption I guess. And what it is it's 1 foot tall, 1 foot wide, and 1 foot across. The across really doesn't matter, just depending on whatever size firewood you're using. I use roughly 16 inches, but it's just primarily cut by eye. So that's all that really matters, is whatever size you want this bundle portion to be. And I just figured 1 foot square. I believe like the ones you buy commercially are 0.75 cubic foot. So this is actually they're getting a little bit more for their money, I guess. And that's kind of what helps sell them. I just welded on a little tang here that I can slide my saran wrap on. And then I made it, if you can see, so then it goes in the ground about 6 inches. So it's nice because it's light and it's portable, and I can move it virtually wherever I'm working. And then whenever I get there, I just step it in. And that holds it nice and secure then. So I've made mine at a height that works for me. I mean, you can adjust the height of this obviously wherever you want, but just figure when you're wrapping it, it's just at appropriate height for you. So then basically all you do is, go to your stack of wood. Like I said, I kind of keep everything portable, so it's all palletized basically. So you just grab a handful and pop her in. You just want to go until you're completely full, up to your kind of level line here. Could actually give this person one more piece we'll throw in there for them. And you just take your wrap, get it started here. Whoop. Sometimes that'll happen. And that's the nice thing, how easy it lifts out. Then you just got your nice uniform block of wood. Then you just restart the process. So I just started doing these bundles this year, and it's been quite good actually, because you're getting about twice the money you would if you were just selling it by the face cord. A little bit more labor, but not much. And there you go. One thing to note is I actually split this stuff up relatively small, and the reason for that is most people that are buying this, you know, they're just city people that, you know, kind of just want to have a fire every once in a while. It's not people buying your cords, you know, looking for you know, a heat source necessarily. So it's a lot easier to get these started, you know, in smaller chunks like this. So I primarily try to keep it that way, because pretty much all you need is somebody to, you know, get, you know, bigger logs and then not be able to get it lit because they don't have a good bed of coals going yet, you know, and then you'll never have that customer come back to you. So that's kind of the way I view it, but to each their own. I do kind of make sure to fill these in pretty tight. I'm not looking to, you know, screw the customer. Alright, you guys, well, there you have it. Did up 12 bundles in a, I believe, relatively short period of time. And should keep me stocked for a little bit. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I actually have quite a few firewood making videos and tree videos, along with tons of other stuff. And comment if you have any questions about anything you saw. Thanks for watching.